How to register your SIM card. Republic Act No. 11934, the first law signed by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., aims to regulate the registration and use of SIMs by mandating all end users to register their SIMs with their respective telecommunications networks before their activation. In line with this, you must register your Philippine SIM card in accordance with the SIM Registration Act in order for it to continue to function. Users of Smart, Globe, and Dito SIM cards will be able to register them online for free beginning on December 27, 2022. Here is how to do it. For Smart and TNT subscribers. Step-by-step guide on how to register your Smart or Talk and Text SIM. Go to https://smart.com.ph/simreg and start the registration process. You can also see the website link in the description below. Make sure that you have your ID with you. Enter your mobile number and click Send OTP. Click the checkmark box to agree to the terms and conditions. Enter the OTP that you received. Fill out the registration form. Scan your valid ID. Take your photo. Review the details you entered. Submit your registration form. You wait for the confirmation. Take note of the control number for future reference. For Globe and TM subscriber. Step-by-step guide on how to register your Globe SIM card. Go to https://new.globe.com.ph/simreg and start the registration process. You can also see the website link in the description below. Make sure that you have your valid ID with you. Enter your mobile number and click Register. Wait for the verification code that will be sent to your number. Enter the 6-digit verification code. Fill out the registration form. Choose the ID type that you will submit. Enter the ID number in the box. Attach a copy of your ID. Take a selfie. Tick the checkboxes to agree to the terms and conditions and to confirm that the details you entered are correct. Click Submit. Wait for the confirmation. Please take note of the reference number. For Dito SIM subscribers. Dito subscribers can register their SIM card starting December 27th at https://dito.ph/registerdito. You can also see the website link in the description below. Step-by-step guide on how to register your Dito SIM card. Download the Dito app. Click the banner that says Register your SIM. Fill out the form. Enter your mobile number to get your OTP. Attach your ID. Take a photo with your ID. Click Submit. That's all. What are the documents needed? Subscribers will be required to provide the following information and documents: full name, date of birth, sex, address, government ID with photo, present official address. For Dito subscribers, a declaration that the ID presented is true and correct. For Globe subscribers. For corporations, the requirements are SEC Certificate of Registration, Board Resolution designating the authorized representative and, in the case of other juridical entities, a special power of attorney. For tourists, the requirements are passport, proof of address in the Philippines, return ticket to own country showing date, time of departure from the Philippines. What kinds of identification cards will be accepted to register SIMs? The following are the official ID cards that will be accepted in registering SIMs: passport, national ID, Social Security Service ID, Government Service Insurance System e-card, driver's license, National Bureau of Investigation clearance, police clearance, firearms license to own and possess ID, Professional Regulation Commission ID, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration ID, Bureau of Internal Revenue ID, Voters ID, Senior Citizens Card, Unified Multi-Purpose Identification Card, Person with Disabilities Card, other government-issued ID with photo. When is the deadline for SIM registration? The deadline to register your SIM card will be on April 26, 2023. That's all for today.
Thank you for watching. If you want to request a fact or trivia for a specific topic, feel free to comment below. See you to our next video.